Hey, how you doing? Just a quick video. I got a fast response from Anna at Anon-Co about the backlight. And I should have read the manual closely because it's in the manual. Yes, you can turn the backlight on permanently. Now, the PL-368, which I just did a review of that, you can't. So I was thinking maybe you can't on this one, but you can, and ta-da, it's right here. Where is it? Right here in the manual. Nope, sleep timer. There it is. Display backlight. With the device turned on, press and hold 5 to select your preferred backlight settings. On, backlight is set to always on. Off, backlight turns on when a button is pushed or a turning knob is used, and turns on and turns off after 5 seconds. Here it is. Boy, that was embarrassing that I didn't know that. But I guess I got confused by the fact that the video I tested before this one, the PL-368, doesn't have this feature. I love this feature because I like to keep the backlight on when I'm just scanning the band. Now, you got to keep in mind that that's a pretty heavy drain on the battery, so you want to normally keep it off, which I push the 5 key, hold it, and you couldn't see it because the backlight went off. It said off. If you push and hold again, on. Now the backlight's on all the time. So let me turn it off before I forget. Okay, now it's off. So now it will only come on if you touch one of the keys or touch one of the knobs on the side. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.